Floyd, for the defense, this is what they wanted to do. They wanted to say, hey, this is what George Floyd does. And that's what he did in 2019. That's what he did in 2020. It's his pattern of behavior. It's his modus operandi. Judge not allowing it.
Well, I think the judge made the right decision. I'd like to bifurcate the argument to some degree. I think that there's no question that the robbery charge from 10 years ago plus was not coming in. I think this was a classic example of the prosecution trying to taint the jury pool and defame this man's character in the public.
Not the prosecution, the defense.
The defense.
Don't blame the prosecutors. I know everyone likes to blame prosecutors.
Yeah.
Blame the defense.
You're absolutely right. And that's exactly what they were trying to do, though, Vinny, because at the end of the day, you know, any lawyer that's gone through law school knows that that sort of charge is never going to be admissible. Now, Candace is correct. I agree with her assessment that the fact that they did not even know Mr. Floyd or know anything about his history makes the idea that his behavior in the past year prior to this incident, you know, makes it irrelevant. But I would go further, Vinny, and suggest to you and the viewers that even if there was a resemblance to the point where it was permissible, it still does not justify the homicide of this man. You know, there's certainly, I would have loved to have, if this evidence would have been admissible, I would have loved to have seen them draw a bridge to make the kneeling on his neck for 9 minutes, despite the multiple pleas for his life and the request by at least one officer.
They're going to talk about the toxicology. They're going to their experts are going to say that he died from fentanyl. I guarantee it. That's what they're going to hear. They're going to say the cause of death had nothing to do with what you saw on the video.